Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to teach you one-on-one on how to choose a handle in YouTube. The other day, we got an email from YouTube saying you can choose your YouTube handle. They said as a reminder, if you already have a personalized URL for your channel, we have reserved this as your handle. So I'll take you on one-on-one on how to choose a handle. In future, your handle will be how people mention you in comment, community post, and more. So we'll go to this is my channel dashboard. This is my YouTube studio. Once you get to use YouTube studio, you'll get in the news that it's time to choose your handle. Stand out from the crowd and help your audience find and engage with you by choosing a unique handle for your channel. So we'll go to choose now. So before we choose now, I'll show you how to get it. So the first thing that you're supposed to do, you're supposed to get into YouTube. Once you get into YouTube, you'll be able to come here at the end. Once you come here at the end, you'll be able to select your YouTube studio. Once you select the YouTube studio, it will take you directly to your YouTube studio. Then you'll come here and say choose now. Once you say choose now, it will tell you this is my channel, Capital Investments. So it tells you it's time for you to choose your handle. So we'll be able to scroll down and see choose now. In case you have an issue with choosing, here is a video created by YouTube creator that will help you to select your handle. So as we had seen in the update earlier, is that if you already have a personalized URL, we have reserved you have reserved this as your handle. So we'll come here and find the and we go to choose now. Once we say choose now, it will give us an option of it's time to choose your handle. Once we get to we'll just click choose your handle. And on clicking to choose your handle, we'll get that it has already reserved capital investments. So I think we might put something here so that to differentiate that investment is also in caps. Capital investments. I think we'll put C in caps also, so that looks smart. So that is my reservation, capital investment. You can see here is my is it. So we'll be able to enter. On entering, we'll be able to. By that we've already chosen our handle, and we've reserved it. Thank you for watching my YouTube and coming to engage my YouTube channel. Kindly press like button for YouTube to suggest my video to people who may like the same content as you are watching, and boost it in the algorithm. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you.